So today we will discuss Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is the mathematics of digital system. In fact, it is a convenient and systematic way of expressing and analyzing the operation of logic circuits. It is found that the knowledge of Boolean algebra is essential to study the and analysis of logic circuit. A mathematical system for formulating logical statements with symbols so that problems can be written and solved like ordinary algebra was developed by the Irish logician and mathematician George Boole and known as a Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra was introduced in 1854. Boole is one of the person in a long historical chain who were concerned with formalizing and mechanizing the process of logical thinking. Boolean algebra is a generalization of set algebra and algebra of propositions and is tool for studying and applying logic. It provides mathematical basis for expressing logic circuit functions as well as analyzing and designing of the digital system. Now, what are the Boolean laws? They are also known as axioms. The Boolean axioms are the laws of Boolean algebra for addition, multiplication, and for the inversion. They are known as axioms because they are the truth which can be verified for different possibilities but cannot be proved. There are different operators for Boolean algebra. So Boolean operators, the operators in Boolean algebra are slightly different than conventional algebra for the basic gates, and the following operators are commonly used. Dot sign. The dot sign, which is also expressed as a cross, indicates logical product of two terms. The logical product of two terms A and B is expressed as A into B and is read as A and B. The inputs A and B are said to be ANDed. Plus sign. The plus sign indicates the logical sum of the two terms. For example, A plus B represents logical sum of the terms A and B and is read as A or B. So the inputs A and B are said to be odd. Over bar. A sign indicates that the terms that which are over bar are to be complemented. For example, A bar represents complementation of a term A and is read as a not A. Now what is Boolean addition and multiplication? Addition in Boolean algebra involves variables having values of either a binary 1 or binary 0. Binary 1 will represent a high level and binary 0 will represent the low level in Boolean equations. The basic rules for Boolean addition are as follows. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So Boolean additions is the same as the OR. Notice that it offers from binary addition in the case where two ones are added. Now multiplication in Boolean algebra follows the same basic rules governing binary multiplication. So 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So Boolean multiplication is same as the AND. Now the complementation in Boolean algebra is as follows. 0 bar is 1, 1 bar is 0. It is same as not. Now the rules and laws of Boolean algebra. There are certain rules and laws in Boolean algebra. The alphabets A, B, C, D can be used as variables having values 0 and 1. Laws of intersection. Law is A into 1 is equal to A. So it can be expressed using a AND gate. If logic 1 is applied to one of the two inputs of the AND gate and a signal A to the other input, the output will be A. So law 2 is A into 0 is 0. So if a logic 0 is applied to one of the two inputs AND gate, signal A to the other input, the output will be 0. The law of union. A plus 1 is 1. A plus 0 is A. Then law 5 is A into A is A. A plus A is A. These are the all axioms. They are known as the Boolean axioms. Now A into A bar is 0. A plus A bar is 1. Then law of double negation. A bar bar is A. Law of commutation, A into B is equal to B into A. A into B is equal to B into A. The commutative law of multiplication. Now A plus B is equal to B plus A. The association of law of addition for three variables stated as follow. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Just the bracket position is changed. Then associative law in multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B plus into C. Then law of distribution. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Then law of distribution. A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Then A plus B into C is equal to A plus B plus into A plus C. Then the proofs are also given. You can solve it on your assignment copies. Sometimes the proof of all these exams may ask as an example. Then law 16, law of absorption. A plus A into B is equal to A. This example many times is asked. Solve this. So A plus A into B is equal to A into 1 plus B. So A into 1 is equal to A. Okay, so 1 plus B is equal to 1. So it's very easy. A plus AB is A. Then law 17 is A into A plus B is A. Then A into B plus B bar is equal to A plus B bar. Then A into A bar plus B is equal to A into B. Then A into B bar plus B is equal to A plus B. Then A into B bar plus B is equal to A plus B. So these are the various laws. So they are tabularized in this form: law of intersection, law of union, law of tautology, law of complement, law of double negation, law of commutation, law of association, law of distribution, laws of absorption. These are the total 19 laws are there. 20. Now how to simplify the logic equation using law of Boolean algebra. Many times it is essential to reduce the number of gates required for designing a digital circuit. Reduce a particular expression to its simplest form, ultimately which reduces size and price of the circuit. By applying basic laws, rules and theorems of Boolean algebra, it is possible for implement practically. The following examples illustrate the techniques. AB plus A into B plus C plus B into B plus C using Boolean algebra. So this I can solve. I will get the logic circuit will be like this. Now simplify the expression using Boolean algebra techniques. So this is another example. Apply all the exams law and you will get this type of answers. Okay, these are the various examples you can solve. Now Boolean expression in SOP and POS form. Boolean expressions can be used to build and logic circuit. If we have the expression y is equal to a plus b plus c and asked to build a circuit that performs this logic function, we can very easily see that there must be an OR gate having three inputs A, B and C. The circuit can be realized using three input OR gates. So it is found that the Boolean expressions come in two forms. All Boolean expressions can be converted into either of two standard forms: the sum of the product form of the product sum forms. It is found that this standardization makes the evaluation, simplification and implementation of Boolean expressions much more systematic and easier. So sum of the product form, a product term consists of the product of multiplication of variables or their complements known as literal. When two or more product terms are summed by Boolean addition, the resulting expression is known as sum of the product. The examples are y is equal to AC plus BC, y is equal to AB plus ABC, so y is equal to ABC plus BCD plus ABD bar. So these are the sum of the products. Then sum of the product form is min-term form. In engineering text, and the product of sum form is called as maximum term form by engineers, technicians and scientists. An SOP expression can contain a single variable term. In an SOP expression, a single overbar cannot extend over more than one variable. However, more than one variable in term can have an overbar. So the implementation of SOP expression. The sum of product expression contains product of the sum terms. A product term is produced by the AND operation and the sum of the addition of two or more product term is produced by the OR operation. Therefore, SOP expression is implemented by AND and OR logic. Consider the SOP expression y is equal to AB plus BC plus C. It can be implemented as shown. So, a sum term consists of the sum, Boolean addition and literals. When two or more sum terms are multiplied, the resulting expression is known as product of sum form. So, y is equal to A plus B into B plus C. So, this is a product of sums. So, implementation of POS form can be implemented by adding the outputs of two or more OR gates. A sum term is produced by the OR connection operation and the product of two or more sum terms is produced by the AND operation. So, the expression A plus B plus C. Now, to implement them, so this POS form is implemented using this gate. So, standard canonical SOP and POS forms are given like this. So, today we will stop here only. So, we finished Boolean algebra. Okay.